Welcome to Canada Vision, your trusted source for critical updates on pensions, benefits, and financial support for Canadian seniors. Today's news is big, and it's not just another payment update. Service Canada has officially increased pension support for struggling seniors. If you're already receiving CPP, OAS, or GIS, or thinking about applying, this video could directly impact your income in 2025. Let's go step by step through. What's changing? Who qualifies? How much more you can receive? And how to claim this increase if you haven't yet. 1. What's changing in 2025, the new support boost. For the past few years, seniors in Canada have been facing rising living costs, from rent to groceries to medication. And while regular OAS and GIS payments do adjust for inflation, those increases haven't been enough for many low-income seniors to keep up. Recognizing this pressure, Service Canada has introduced a new round of targeted increases, starting July 2025. Here's what's included. A higher GIS, Guaranteed Income Supplement, top-up for seniors with very low or no income besides OAS. Emergency reassessments for sudden income loss, so more seniors can get support sooner. This change is not automatic for everyone, so stay with us to see how it applies to your situation. 2. Why these increases matter right now. Let's look at the context. According to government data, nearly 1 in 4 seniors in urban areas like Toronto and Vancouver are spending over 50% of their income on housing alone. Many are delaying healthcare, downsizing, or relying on food banks. This new pension boost is targeted, it's not a universal increase. It's designed to provide relief specifically to seniors already on OAS plus GIS. Seniors who recently experienced an income drop due to job loss, illness, or losing a spouse. Older Canadians at risk of slipping below the poverty line. If you're in one of these categories, this next part is key. 3. Who is eligible for the increased payments? A. You must be receiving Old Age Security, OAS. Aged 65 or older. Lived in Canada for at least 10 years since turning 18. B. You must also qualify for Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS. For single seniors, annual income must be below approximate $21,624. For couples, combined income should be under $28,560. These thresholds vary slightly year to year, but that's the ballpark for 2025. C. Emergency reassessment. If your 2024 income was too high to qualify, but your 2025 income dropped significantly due to death of a spouse, medical condition, retirement or job loss, you can now request a reassessment and get GIS plus the new increase faster. You don't have to wait until the next tax cycle. 4. How much extra will you get? Let's break it down by category. Heavy checkmark for single seniors receiving GIS. You could get up to $200 more per month. That's an extra $2,400 per year, enough to cover medications, groceries, or utility bills. Heavy checkmark for couples where both receive GIS. Monthly boost can go up to $300 combined. That's a yearly top-up of $3,600. These are among the largest GIS increases introduced in recent years. The purpose is clear: ease pressure and help seniors keep their independence. And don't forget, OAS itself is also indexed quarterly to inflation. In July 2025, a 1% cost of living increase is being added, meaning OAS rates will also go up slightly. Ages 65 to 74, up to $727.67 per month. 75 plus, up to $800.44/month. 5. What about CPP? CPP payments are not directly included in this new top-up, but they still matter. If your CPP income is too high, you may be disqualified from GIS or reduced to a lower amount. But if your CPP is small, e.g., you took it early, or you had limited work history, you may still be well within the income limits to qualify for GIS and the new boost. Tip: if you're withdrawing from RRSPs or other pensions, try to spread out withdrawals to avoid raising your annual income too much. 6. How to apply or reassess your benefits. If you already receive OAS plus GIS, and you qualify based on income, the increase will be automatic. You'll see the change in your July 29, 2025 payment. But if you don't currently receive GIS or you think you now qualify, backhand index pointing right, apply immediately through your My Service Canada account. Or telephone receiver, call 1-800-277-9914 and request the GIS application or reassessment package. You'll need your Notice of Assessment from CRA, details about income changes, job loss, medical costs, etc. Proof documents, death certificate, ROE, etc. if applicable. White heavy check mark, don't wait, applications can take 6 to 8 weeks, but emergency reviews may be available if you're in hardship. 7. How to avoid missed payments. A few important reminders. Update your banking info. Many seniors miss direct deposits due to outdated accounts. Check your address. For check payments, incorrect addresses delay delivery. Enable direct deposit. It's faster and safer. Register via MSCA or phone. 8. Who is not eligible? Not everyone qualifies. You may not be eligible if your total income is above GIS thresholds. You're under 65, OAS and GIS start at 65. You're not a legal resident or haven't lived in Canada long enough. However, check with your provincial programs. Some provinces offer additional supports for low-income seniors, e.g., housing aid, drug coverage, property tax deferral. 9. Quick recap. Who gets the increase? Benefit maximum monthly, new. OAS, 65 to 74, $727.67. OAS, 75 plus, $800.44. GIS, single, $1,086.88. GIS, allowance 60 to 64, $1,381.90. GIS top-up boost plus $200, single, / plus $300, couples. 10. Final message. This is one of the biggest pension updates of the year. It's about dignity, security, and giving struggling seniors a chance to breathe. But you must take action if you're not already enrolled. Too many seniors miss out on thousands in benefits simply because they didn't apply or weren't informed. This was today's most important pension update. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to Canada Vision. Your support helps us continue sharing verified, easy-to-understand updates for Canadian seniors. Stay informed. Stay secure. And we'll see you in the next video.